Matte lipstick is known for its rich color. It creates a sophisticated look. Unlike glossy lipsticks, matte ones don't reflect light. This makes the color appear more intense. This intensity can make your lips the focus of your makeup. Matte lipsticks have a velvety texture. This is different from the shine of glosses. They last longer than creamy or glossy lipsticks, so you won't need to touch up as often. Matte lipstick can be worn by everyone. You can find a shade to match any skin tone. It's versatile for any occasion. Go bold with a bright red or keep it neutral with a soft pink. The possibilities are endless. Matte lipstick is a symbol of confidence. It's about making a statement. You are bold and beautiful. Let your lipstick show it. Matte lipstick can highlight dry or chapped lips. Taking care of your lips is essential. This will help the lipstick go on smoothly, and your lips will look their best. Exfoliating your lips removes dead skin, creating a smooth surface. You can make a simple lip scrub at home. Just mix sugar and honey. Gently rub the mixture on your lips, then rinse it off with water. Hydrating your lips is key after exfoliating. A good lip balm will do the trick. Look for balms with shea butter or coconut oil. These ingredients will moisturize your lips. Apply the lip balm generously and let it absorb for a few minutes before applying lipstick. Well-prepared lips make a big difference. Your matte lipstick will glide on easily, and the color will look even and vibrant. Choosing the right shade is the first step. If you have fair skin, look for nude pinks or peachy shades. Medium skin tones can wear a wider range, so try rose, berry, or coral colors. For darker skin tones, rich browns, plums, and reds look stunning. Once you have your shade, it's time to apply. First, use a lip primer to create an even base. This helps the lipstick last longer and also prevents the color from bleeding. Now, line your lips with a lip liner. Choose a color that matches your lipstick. This will define your lips and prevent feathering. Start at the center of your upper lip and outline your cupid's bow. Then line the rest of your lips. Apply the first coat of lipstick carefully, starting from the center of your lips and blending the color outwards. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You will add another layer. After the first coat, blot your lips with a tissue. This removes any excess lipstick and helps to set the color. Now apply the second coat of lipstick, paying attention to any uneven patches. Finally, set your lipstick with a translucent powder. This will give it a long-lasting matte finish. Use a small brush to dust the powder lightly over your lips. To keep your matte lipstick looking fresh, there are a few tips to follow. Avoid oily foods and drinks, as these can break down the lipstick. If you need to touch up, use a lip brush for precision. One common mistake is skipping the lip prep. Dry, chapped lips will make the lipstick look patchy. Always exfoliate and moisturize before applying. Another mistake is pressing your lips together after applying lipstick. This can smudge the color and make it look uneven. Removing your matte lipstick is easy. Use an oil-based makeup remover. Apply it to a cotton pad and gently wipe your lips. The oil will break down the lipstick, making it easy to remove. Matte lipstick can seem intimidating, but with the right tips, you can master it. Have fun experimenting with different shades. Find what looks best on you. Most importantly, wear it with confidence.